Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. You know how I always say it's best to shave after a shower when the beard is warm, moist, hydrated, elevated, ready to be sliced off cleanly by your safety razor blade or straight razor blade? Well, sometimes you just can't shave after a shower, right? Time doesn't permit. There's no shower available. What if there was a product that you could just wet, put on your face, and it will give you the same effect, if not better effect, of shaving after a shower? Well, there is such a product. Here it is. It's called Beard Blanket. This is what it looks like. Ingenious little device right here. It's actually a mask that you soak under hot water, pre-shave, apply it to your face, and then warm your beard, get your shave on, and after you've completed your shave, you can run it under the cold water and then reapply it, and that will tighten up your pores, tighten your skin, give you a really complete, excellent finish to your shave. So I'm going to try this right now, and I've got some beardage going on here. Got the goatee, circle beard, / Van Dyke, whatever you want to call it. But we're going to shave all around it, and we'll see how this thing works. Just a little bit of background on this product. It was invented by 2 veteran police officers by the name of Marcus and Mike. A couple of buddies. And you know, when you're a police officer, most departments, they want you to be clean shaven and looking fresh all the time for your duty shift. So they invented this product to make it easier. If you didn't have access to a shower, you can use this instead. So let's see how this thing works. Normally I say I'm going to warm up my face and we'll get right to the shave. And I use a Shave Nation face cloth right here. Wet it, hold it up, and you can get your cheeks. It's hard to get all the areas you need to get. What this does, once you fasten it around your beard, your face, it covers all those areas and hydrates them. So you just take this and soak it under the hot water, which I will do. The inside portion, this whole black portion here, soak it under the hot water. Apply it directly under the nose and fasten it around the back. Make sure it's nice and snug. After 30 to 45 seconds, you can remove it. Now your face is good and hydrated. The beard is nice and moist. We'll see how this works with a cartridge razor, a straight razor, and a safety razor. Got my brush soaking in some hot water. Just take it out. And here's my soap. Got plenty of lather. 15 seconds, enough lather for several passes right here. I'll just apply that to all the areas I'm about to shave. Little figure 8 method down here at the bottom. Let's start with the straight razor on the right side. Cut the sideburn. And just work our way down. Cuts through like nothing. Look at that. A nice warm beard, moist. The straight razor, no trouble getting through it. Look at all that stubble. Let's rinse that. Now we'll try the safety razor. Shave Nation safety razor, the chubby. Warm it up under the hot water. Cut that sideburn. Start perpendicular, tilt slightly out. Work our way down. Flip it over, one side becomes full. Same deal, nice and smooth. Honestly, straight razor side, a little closer. As I've said many times before, the best shave you can get is from a properly sharpened straight razor. Single blade, on the skin, no guard, gets you close. No doubt about it. We'll use the Cartridge precision trimmer, the backside, right here in the middle. It's good for that. There you go. A quick rinse. Just a little cleanup with the straight razor. That's it. Just one quick pass, straight razor, safety razor, cartridge razor, the precision trimmer right here. So the beard blanket did a great job in pre-shave, warming and hydrating and lifting, elevating the beard, preparing it for the shave. It only took one pass for me to get pretty darn smooth. Now that we're complete with the shave, let's run this under cold water. And reapply directly under the nose again. Make sure it's nice and tight. I think it helps if you hold it up. Nice and cold. Let's remove it. Nice and cold. Nice finish to the shave. That coolness is very refreshing. Close the pores, tighten the skin. Just pat the face dry a little bit. Let's apply some aftershave, Parasso, Aloe and Vitamin E. Couple drops. Right into the skin. Right into the fingertips. Massage that right in. All the areas you just shaved. This will give you an invisible layer of protection. Carry you through the day. Squeeze out any water that's left in the beard blanket. Hang it up wide open like this till next time so it can dry out thoroughly. So that was a fun product review, the beard blanket. I think it's worthwhile. When you can't get to a shower, this is definitely a great way to hydrate, elevate your beard to prepare it for the shave ahead. Beard blanket is an innovative product designed to be used as a hot pre-shave to moisten, soften, and elevate the beard prior to shaving. Post-shave, it can also be used with cold water to further hydrate and tighten the skin, providing an excellent finish to your shave. Pre-shave takes only 30 to 45 seconds, relaxes skin and softens beard, removes dirt and oil from pores. Hairs become fuller and elevated. Post-shave takes only 15 to 30 seconds, tightens and hydrates the skin, instant cooling effect. The product materials, 80% neoprene, 15% polyester, 5% nylon. Hand wash only. Get yours at shavenation.com. If you want to pick up the beard blanket or any of these other items, click down below the video where it says show more, or go to shavenation.com, enter beard blanket into the search box, or whatever else you need, safety razor, straight razor, cream, soap, whatever, it'll pop right up. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.